Hey y'all, today I am out in the backyard. We have some cooler weather, which is really great. This is Donald out here. Donald. He's gonna be hitting baseballs out here while I'm out here. I'm gonna be working on a few projects. First one, I'm gonna be planting up several caladium bulbs and prepping them for a project that I wanna do at the beginning of June. I'm also going to be planting up some bleeding hearts bare roots. And I'm also going to be planting a large delphinium plant that I picked up from Home Depot. I'm excited, totally random, but excited about all those. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. And make sure you drop me a comment below. Let me know if you like caladiums as much as I do. I feel like I really kind of just discovered them last year and really started utilizing them a lot in my garden beds. And so I'm very excited to get them started utilizing their bulbs for a little bit more of a cost-effective approach. Okay, here's what we're going to be planting up. So I picked up these bulbs from Home Depot. So it's caladium bulbs. This particular variety is called Rosebud, and it's 8 for $11. I also picked up this variety, which is called John Peed, another 8 for $11. And finally, I picked up this variety, which is called Blaze, also 8 for $11. So maybe planting those up today. And then I also picked up this bare roots set. It's 3 bare roots for $11, and I'm going to be planting those today as well. So for these, I'm actually going to put these in water to soak while I'm planting all the rest of the caladiums, and then I will put these in soil once they've soaked about half an hour. And then over here is the delphinium plant that I picked up from Home Depot. It's white delphinium. I picked it up for, let me see if there's a price on it. I don't see the price on it. Oh, there it is. $16.98. Beautiful. Love the white. I picked one that wasn't blooming. However, it's been sitting on the porch for 5 days. So now it's starting to bloom. I'm going to put it in this pot over here. This big, beautiful terracotta pot. It actually has a big crack through it, so I got to be very gentle with it. But I'm going to pull out all of these violas and pansies and replant the delphinium in there. So let's get started. Okay, so you can see by this bulb, what I'm doing is I'm checking each one to see where I can see an eye or a sprout coming up, and then I'm working from there. The bottom typically is kind of more flat and rough feeling. The top will have little bumps where the eyes are, and we're just nestling those in the soil, and then I will backfill after I get these all in. Okay, all done. Okay, so I've got the Delphinium planted up in this terracotta pot up over here. It does prefer a little bit more shade, so I might move it to the front porch for my spring porch decor. I've also got the bleeding hearts, bare roots planted up here. I watered them in real good and I soaked them for about 30 minutes before planting them. I always suggest soaking your bare roots just to wake them up. Don't leave them for there forever and ever, maybe like an hour at tops. But yeah, soak them before planting them up. And then I have all the Caladium bulbs in here, including the varieties are Rosebud, John Peed, and Blaze, and I've got them all planted up in these little pots and watered that in as well so they can start growing. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed today's short and sweet project. Still recovering from surgery, so I can't do a ton of things, can't move heavy things around. But yeah, I'm very excited about these. I had a lot of fun with Caladiums last year in a potted design on my front porch. But this year I didn't want to invest as much money, but I still wanted a lot of Caladiums, so I thought I'd try these bulbs out, see how they go, see if it works out well. If it does, great, I saved a lot of money. If it doesn't, well, darn it. And I'm also excited to get these bleeding hearts started. The variety is Luxuriant, and those are going to be in my new shade garden that I will be showing you guys this summer. And then of course Delphinium, I saw those at Home Depot and I couldn't pass them up. I just needed them in my life. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.